Hi, I'm Marta Martinez with Hooked on Spanish. Today we're going to learn everything about personal pronouns. We have here the chart with all the personal pronouns in Spanish. Let's go. Yo means I. Tú, you. Él, he. Ella, she. Usted, you. The plural side, nosotros means we. Vosotros, you all. Ellos, they. Ellas, they, and ustedes, you all. Notice that we have 4 yous. Tú, vosotros, usted, and ustedes. The tú and the vosotros in the second position in the chart, they are the familiar way of treating people. We will say tú and vosotros to people that we know really well and our friends. Now we use usted and ustedes with people that we don't know that well, with people that we want to give some respect. Then vosotros is not used in Latin America. Vosotros is used in Spain. In my classes, I'm going to teach you a little bit about vosotros, because if you travel to Spain, you want to be familiar with vosotros. Also, if you read a book, a children's book written by a Spanish person, then you will hear vosotros. Now let's practice a little bit the pronunciation of the pronouns, and maybe you can repeat after me. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Now, maybe from here and on in few classes, you will hear only, or you will see in the charts, only él in the singular side and ellos in the plural side. That makes it easier for me not to write the 3 persons, the 3 personal pronouns in one side and in the plural side too. Then that's why I'm going to use él in the singular side to represent the 3 personal pronouns, and I'm going to use ellos in the plural side to represent the 3 personal pronouns for the plural, okay? Then let's talk a little bit about usted. Usted is abbreviated as an UD, and ustedes is abbreviated as an UDS. Okay, usted and ustedes, grammatically speaking, is a second person. Don't get confused because I put it in the 3rd position with él and ella and ellos and ellas. That doesn't mean that usted and ustedes is a 3rd person. It's actually, grammatically speaking, a second person. But I put it in the 3rd position, as you can see here, right, in the 3rd position with él and ella, because it is convenient for me to teach you that way, because I use the same format of these charts all through my books, the Spanish level 1 and the Spanish book level 2, available in Amazon. Then, by the way, these books are a great addition to my classes here, because you will be able to study before, study after the classes, and follow along with my videos. Then think about it, and if you want to support my channel, just go to Amazon and get the book. Then, as I was telling you, I use this format for the charts all through my book, and then it's conveniently located here, usted with the 3rd person in both sides, singular and plural, because it will match the charts with the conjugation of the verbs and the reflexive pronouns and direct and indirect object pronouns. Then when you choose él, in the charts of the verbs will have the same location for the verb corresponding to él, or the verb corresponding to yo. If it's in the 1st position, that will be corresponding to yo in all the charts, the conjugations, verbs, and direct and indirect object. Okay, I hope you learn again. a lot, and I will also talk a little bit more about the personal pronouns in my next video together with the verb to be, ser, and estar. To learn more about the Spanish Class Cafe, visit us at www.thespanishclasscafe.com. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to keep up with the lessons. Bye for now. Hasta luego.